Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Rukia Laltia. Let's learn how to make this tasty stir-fried liver. In a pan, you're going to pour some oil and let the oil to become hot. Once hot, you're going to add an onion and cook the onion until translucent. So once the onions are soft and translucent, then you're going to add some bell pepper. If you have some carrots, go ahead, cut them into long strips and cook them for approximately 1 minute. Then you're going to add some liver. I've used a half a kg of liver. Make sure you've removed the outer skin of the liver. Then I'm going to add some spices. You can add or you can reduce some spices. Personally, I added some salt, black pepper, Roika powder optional, curry powder, Maggi cube, ginger and garlic paste, a teaspoon each, and lastly some turmeric powder. Then stir everything well and let the liver to cook for approximately 5 minutes. Then add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, give it a stir, and you're going to add half a cup of water and let the liver to cook until everything is nicely cooked and you get a thick sauce like so. Then lastly, without forgetting, squeeze a half a lime to add an extra amazing taste to this liver, and your stir-fried liver is ready and serve in a bowl. Oh my goodness, like look how this stir-fried liver turned out. It was super tasty. You can eat along with some rice, chapati, ugali, bread, or anything that you like, and enjoy your stir-fried liver. And if you've enjoyed this recipe, please kindly do give this video a big thumbs up, share, and of course do subscribe on all my social media platform. I use Rukia Laltia, and see you next time. Bye bye.